Welcome to HungryNaki University, an educational platform to help you learn, earn, and grow with us. In this video about menu management, we will take a look at how you can edit existing menu items. Firstly, go to the Menu Update tab on the app. Here, under the New Items section, here's how you can edit an existing item. Step 1. Click on the Category drop-down button and select the pen icon for whichever item you want to make edits. Step 2. Edit item screen opens. Enter correct description, prices, and item timings. Step 3. Press Submit button to send your edit request to Team HungryNaki. Step 4. The request is transferred to the Pending Request tab. Step 5. Check the result of your request in the Approve Reject Request. If approved, the edit will reflect on the customer menu, seller device, seller app, and seller portal. We hope this helps you with your menu management on HungryNaki. To learn more, check the videos and playlists available on this channel.